That out there is not heaven. You go out there and see how far you can go without protecting yourself. You'll be burnt to pieces by the waves. That's hell out there. And the further out you go, does it get lighter or darker? Darker. Yeah, you'll see a little light here, a little light there. These are the stars. But it's dark. Dark matter. But it ain't us. There is no dark matter. There is no illness in us. There is no want in us. It'll be a whole new ball game. How far can we go by taking our young people and sending them to a useless war for the sake of chemistry? Oil, oil, oil. How far? So I'm not asking you to rebel. I'm asking you to understand, because we cannot win by knocking doors down. We can win only when the moment comes. Now, if we look at geography and we look in Siberia and we dig into that ice, don't we find animals completely frozen, still within their digestive system, the food they had just ate that moment? The quick freeze came quickly, and a quick meltdown, which is happening now, will come quickly. And when it is finished, it will come, as Paul says, in the twinkle of an eye. Not a blink, but a twinkle. There's a difference between a blink and a twinkle inside of that eye. That twinkle is immeasurable. A blink can be measured. That's how fast it'll come. It'll come quickly. One day, if we're asleep, we'll wake up and notice a big change. We'll notice that the earth, if we live at a particular place, the sun is still shining at 12 o'clock at night. Yeah. The earth is spinning counterclockwise. Counter. From my point of view, and that means from the east to the west. But it should spin from west to east. So the day will come when the sun will rise in the west and settle in the east. Be ready for it. Don't run. Stay where you are. Because it's already written what's going to be happening to all of us. But the more we know, the better our chances are of surviving this very first change. That's the best word, change. All these politicians are asking for change. What kind of change? Some will have wars in Iraq, Afghanistan, and now maybe going into Iran. That change? Yeah, it's change. 2 wars, like 3 wars. That's a change, isn't it? Change in what direction? That's what we have to add. And the biggest problem today is our economy. And the word economy means the law of the house. Greek, oikos, nomos. 2 words. Law of the house. And the house in us is the heart. Now, if you've been coming here, you will understand that I've spoken to you that at one time the heart was directly in the center. I don't know if I have a picture here of it or not.
Pasquale.
Got one? Okay. You look at this, you'll see the heart is directly in the center. Forget that this much represents some religious organization. Look at it from the sake of us. This is the way it should be. Not the heart in the left field, ruining one lobe of the lung, getting bigger and bigger. Number 1 killer today, heart trouble, and it's getting so bad that it's becoming number 1 with the females more than the males. At one time it was with the males. When you see a female with a big butt protruding, this is the heart. Inside there, big as you can make it. So, we have to revert back to this. We have to make that metamorphosis back to this. There it is. Once we make that, then our digestive system has to change. We shouldn't waste as we waste today. We call the chambers of the heart the ventricles. And the word ventricle means a small stomach, because venter means stomach in Latin. And ventricles means that the heart is being used as a digestive organ. I know we have a lot of bile in our urine, in our blood. The blood is filthy. It is impure. It has to become pure again. Pure of, finish it off. You've heard that, haven't you? Pure body. This is what chiropractic is. What we've been doing is some sort of counteraction.